How to fix Spotify app not working on your Android and iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to find the solution for the Spotify not working in your Android and iPhone. So now let's get started. First and foremost, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is reliable, stable, and strong. You can also try turning the airplane mode on and off in your phone and see if the issue is resolved. Now try updating the Spotify app. For that, open your Play Store if you're using Android and open your App Store if you're using iPhone. Then go to the search bar, type in Spotify. Once you find the application and if you see an update button just like this instead of open, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. After this, try launching the Spotify app and see if the problem is resolved. Now let's try clearing the cache. For that, go ahead and find the Spotify application on your device. Tap and hold on to it. Tap on the eye icon in the top to access the app info. Go to storage and then click on clear cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if you're using iPhone, go to iPhone storage and then tap on Spotify and upload the app. You can also try logging out of the Spotify account and then logging back in and turn off any VPN or battery saver, as these features might interfere with the Spotify's ability to run in the background. And also visit the down detectors to see if the Spotify experiencing an outage. And if none of these steps work, you can get in touch with the Spotify support through the app or at support.spotify.com. Last but not least, you can try uninstalling the Spotify completely from your device or removing it and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. I hope it helps. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.